After years of exploring the world, my husband and I made the life-changing decision to leave the United States behind and start a new chapter in Thailand. Join us as we embrace the adventure, immerse ourselves in the culture, and navigate life in the land of smiles. Welcome to our new life in Thailand. Hey y'all, me and the hubby heading on out here to my friend's grand opening of her restaurant. Oh wow, man. What are we serving up today?
It's a noodle chicken.
Oh,
It's popular
nice.
in Thailand.
What's it called?
It's a what เขาเรียกว่าอะไรนะตีนไก่
Yeah.
Thailand call ตีนไก่
Thank God. Nice. What? Tell the people where you're at.
and Hua Hin
Uh-huh.
เขาพิพัฒน์ซอย 25
Nice.
and you have all kinds
Yes.
fried food อีสานไทย
Yeah, I have your menu. I will include it.
Thank you
And tell me
Welcome.
your hours.
like we open at 11 o'clock in the morning
11?
and we
Okay.
close at 12
11 to 12.
Yeah.
Okay,
Until,
perfect.
Maybe in the morning.
When the party finishes. Let me show them some of your drink options here. They also have champagne on the menu. And it's always a fun time here at Min's Kitchen.
ตั้งแต่นี้เราคงต้องทำใจเพราะถึงอย่างไรเธอคงไม่กลับมาสิ่งที่เหลือทิ้งไว้ก็คือน้ำตาที่เธอฝากกับ